is up. All right, guys, welcome to the next lesson. I guess this is lesson 3, and we're going to run a drill. Okay, this is a memorization drill. All right, we are going to, I'm going to take the first simple consonant, and I'm going to add it, simple consonant here. All right, we'll start over. Well, what I'm going to do is take this first simple consonant and add a simple vowel to it, and then Randy's going to read it all the way through. All right? Hey, everybody. Welcome to our next lesson. This is lesson 3. And in this lesson, I'm going to take a simple consonant, and I will add a simple vowel, and then we will produce the sound that that combination makes. Okay, Randy is our student today. So, are you ready, Randy?
I'm ready.
All right. So the first vowel that we will use is the A, and this configuration, this character here, is pronounced as an A in father. Ah.
Ah.
Okay, and we know that this is giak, and it has the G sound, g. Okay, so we're just going to take this character, and we're going to add the A, G-A,
Ga.
and that's as simple as it is, okay? And we're going to do that for all of these consonants. So I will write in the vowel. I'll add the vowel to the consonant. Just like that. All right. And now, Randy, please read each consonant vowel combination.
Ga, na, da, ra, ma, ba, sha or sia,
Sa,
sa, a, ja, cha, ka, ta, pa, ha.
simple as that. Okay? As simple as that. Gana da ra ma ba sa a ja cha ka ta pa ha. Gana da ra ma ba sa a ja cha ka ta pa ha.
Very good.
Randy, can you do it?
Okay. Ga, na, da, ra, ma, ba, sa, a, ja, cha, ka,
Ta.
ta, pa, ha.
Very good. Gana da ra ma ba sa a ja cha ka ta pa ha. Okay, and this is how the young Koreans, the children, learn their alphabet, and they run these drills. Okay, so we've already used a or a. The next vowel is a. Okay, so I'm going to quickly erase the a, and I will quickly write the and it's like that. It's like you're being punched in the stomach. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay.
All right. All right. For demonstrative purposes, I will go first. Ganadarama basa ajacha katapaha. Okay. Standing alone like this, these don't necessarily mean that there's no word that these mean. I think. You know what? Actually, just a moment ago when I wrote H-A, this is a little advice, a little tip. When I put H-A, ha, this is ha as in laughter. Ha, ha, ha.
Oh, okay.
Okay, because it's the same sound, H-A, ha, ha, ha. But also, well, when we get there, we will get to this vowel here. This is another laughter sound. It's not a ha, but it's a huh, 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 huh. And that's a little bit before. Okay. So Randy, this is like you're being punched in the okay. Gana dara mabasa jacha kata pa huh. Your turn.
Ganada Rama Basa Ja Cha Ka Ta Pa. Oops.
Huh.
Oh yeah, huh.
One more time. Try to get it a little bit faster. Gana dara ma basa jacha kata pa ha.
Ganada Rama Basa Ja Cha Ka Ta Pa Ha.
Very good. Perfect. All right. Now I'm going to erase these. And we're going to move on to the next vowel. What's the next vowel, Randy?
O.
That's right. O. The letter O. So this should be very simple because is not a vowel sound that we are accustomed to making in English, but O is definitely a sound that we are accustomed to making in English. So to write this, we write it below, okay? And this is the O. All right, so all you have to do is remember the sound and the character, what it looks like, and now you can produce the sound. Go no do ro mo, boso ojo cho koto po ho. Randy, your turn.
Go no do ro mo bo so o jo cho ko to po ho.
There we go. Go no do ro mo, boso ojo cho koto po ho. That's it.
Okay.
All right, let's move on. What's next?
Is it you or oo?
That's right. You.
You.
It's you. The letter is you in English. In Korean, we would read that as oo.
Ooh.
Okay? Ooh. So unlike the O has a horizontal line and an upward or a north-facing vertical line. Oo has a south-facing vertical line.
Okay.
All right. All right, so I will go first. Gu. Gu nu duru mu. Busu u juchu. Kutu puhu. Randy, your turn.
Gu nu du ru mu bo bu su u ju chu ku tu pu hu.
That's it. You got it. Okay. Guno duru mu. Busu u juchu. Kutu puhu. Guno duru mu. Excuse me. Gunu duru mu. Busu u juchu. Kutu puhu. There it is. All right. Erase that. What's the next one, Randy?
EU or
EU. Very good. Now this one is different because we don't say this in English. We don't say it much. It's
ew.
Ew.
Ew. No, ew.
Ugh. Ugh.
Ew. Oh
Just
man.
kind of like but just That's it. That's it. So it's like, yeah, if you're a kid and you see something but it's short.
Ew.
Mm-hmm. And it's just a horizontal line. Okay. So g na da da ma b s j ch k t p h. G na da da ma b s j ch k t p h. Randy?
Juna.
G.
Oh, gu. Nu.
No. It's not goo. It's g.
G.
Okay.
N. N.
Mm-hmm. N.
N.
Mm-hmm.
D. R. M.
B.
B.
Mm-hmm.
S. J. Ch. K. T. P. H.
G. N. D. R. M. B. S. J. Ch. K. T. P. H. G. N. D. R. M. B. S. J. Ch. K. T. P. H. Okay. All right, we're gonna move on. That's a little funky one right there. All right. Now this next one is a little funky as well because it's slightly confusing. All right. So this one, it's the letter I. It's the letter I, but it's pronounced as the letter E. So this is I, but it's pronounced as E.
E.
Okay. It's very simple to write, all right? The E-U was a horizontal line on the bottom. I is a straight line. It's a vertical line. And we just write it straight line all the way down. Very simple, like this. And remember, it's pronounced E, like the letter E, but it's the letter I. E. So this is Gini di ri mi, B-C, or B-she, E-G-chi, Ki-Ti-Pi-Hi. Gini-di-di mi, B-she, E-G-chi, Ki-Ti-Pi-Hi. Randy, your turn.
Wait, question. So the S, I mean the shiat
Yeah.
is for that one. 'Cause I know you touched on like that sound will change.
I think it's best if you pronounce it as she, or
She.
rather just she.
Okay.
Sounds like she, but it would be S-H-I, so. All right. All right, Randy, your turn.
D, re, mi, B, she, E, G, chi, ki, P, T, P, he.
Mm-hmm. Gini di ri mi, B she E G chi, Ki Ti Pi Hi. And there goes my mic. And there went my mic. It disappeared from me. Okay. All right, here we go. Got a few more to go. Very simple here. Simple, right, Randy?
Yeah, it's simple.
Yep.
You gotta keep practicing.
Yep. Okay, so now we have the A and E. Okay, A and E. And this is just, the sound that it produces is the long A sound.
A.
That's it. Okay? But the way you make it is the A and E
Oh.
combined. So it's like this and like this. A, E. But we don't write it like that. We combine them. So we bring this line over and make them connect.
Like an H.
Like an H, exactly like an H, all right? So there we go. That's what I'm doing here. Okay. All right, so for demonstrative purposes, I will go first. Gene dere me, be se e je che, ke te pe he. Randy, your turn.
Gay, nay, day, ray, may, bay, say,
Yes.
A, J, che, K, te, pay, hey.
Very good. That's it. Gene dere me, be se. And that's, I'm going to stop here for a second because it's not she. Okay, se. Gene dere me, be se. E je che, ke te pe he. Just like that. For time's sake, we're going to just move on, all right? Now, here's something that's interesting. A and has a very nuanced difference. Okay, it's a very nuanced difference. Very slight. Very slight. Okay, that's and this is It's and So we write this. This is and this is e. Okay, ge. All right. So let me erase these.
Okay.
Very close, very similar in sound. Ge. Takes a little bit more time to write. Okay, so to read these, this would be ge, ne, de, re, me, be, se, e, je, che, ke, te, pe, he. Randy?
Ge, ne, de, re, me, be, se, e, je, che, ke, te, pe, he.
That's it. Ge, ne, de, re, me, be, se, e, je, che, ke, te, pe, he. All right, so those are the combinations and the way that they're pronounced.
Window seat surfing on the wing. As an adolescent, I dreamed of big things. Climb to the top of the mountain to see the scene. Petty wap don't want me to have anything. I'm the captain, no jet lag. Boeing jet swag. Floating to the sunset, keep the drinks coming back. She summoned me, gave me turbulence on the sink. Pretty flight attendant boarding pass, I'm a buddy. Stunting first class, vegan meal yummy.